How to check your purchase history on Etsy. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can check your purchase history on Etsy. Etsy is an online marketplace focused on handmade, vintage, and unique factory manufactured items. Now to check your purchase history on Etsy, first of all you need to open any web browser on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, you need to type etsy.com in the search bar. Once you have typed in this keyword, press on enter to browse it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Etsy. Also, if you prefer using mobile phone, you may also download Etsy application on your mobile device and log into your account using your credentials to access your account. But if you want to check it on PC, you will need to come to this official website of Etsy. Now once you reach this page, you make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, hover your cursor over this account or the profile icon, click on this option, and from this drop down, you will be able to see the option Purchases and Reviews. Click on this option, and now this will take you to a page where you can see a list of recent purchases, including details about each order and the option to view order details. You can also use the search bar at the right side to make it easier to find the purchase you wish to check. Or you may also filter or search for specific purchases if needed by clicking on the topic heads below. Since I have not made any purchases on Etsy yet, so there isn't any purchase history on my Etsy account. But if you have made purchases on Etsy, you will be able to see your purchase history on this section. So by following these steps, you should be able to check your purchase history on Etsy. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.